Hey guys, I have a little story to tell you about the aloe vera plant. Jamaican call it Single Bible. Aloe vera is a popular medicinal plant that people have used for thousands of years. It is a thick, short stem plant that stores water in its leaves. The benefits of aloe vera, aka Single Bible. It has antioxidants and antibacterial properties, which will inhibit the growth of certain bacteria that can cause infections in humans. Hey, if you are still with us, welcome back. This is Dine's Kitchen Cooking Channel. This channel is about the food we eat, juices we drink, and the way we live. So I encourage you, yes, you that view the videos and not subscribe. Come on over and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share the videos and like the videos. Let's continue with the good old aloe vera, aka Single Bible. So, the yellow substance that you're seeing here, it this yellow substance, it comes from the Single Bible, and it heals wounds. It helps to prevent redness, itching, and infections. Yes, so when you get the cut or you have any little abrasion, just tip a little. Ensure that your hands are clean and put a little on the cut. Man, in 3 to 4 days, you see the cut heal up. Heal. Yes, man. So you use that. This Single Bible here also help to reduce constipation. So the sticky yellow residue under the skin of the leaf, that's this thing there, help to reduce constipation. So you just slice the aloe vera like this. And pour some water on it. And leave this for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you'd remove the aloe vera. And then the water becomes thick. That is what you drink. For constipation. It also improves the skin and prevents wrinkles. Yes, for those ladies out there who is so caught up with aging. Yes, this gel here increase collagen production and improve skin elasticity. The vitamin, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants that are in this plant help with the aging of your skin. Yes, you just rub some of the gel on it on your skin. It also reduces acne, Rub the gel on your skin over your face. And let me tell you something. Your skin look fine. Your face look fine. Look like a young baby just born. Yes, man. This plant here is a very miraculous plant. Yes, man. Knowledge is power. Go ahead and use up your aloe vera, aka Cinco Bible. See you next time. One love. Yes, guys, before I go, the same Cinco Bible with a piece of ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. Let me tell you, it reduces high blood sugar and cholesterol. Yes, just blend it and drink it every 3 days. You see your blood sugar and your cholesterol reduce drastically. Yes, man. Please subscribe, share the videos, like the videos, and leave a respectful comment. One love, peeps.